Alright guys, in this video we're turning into the test centre at Kirkcaldy here. So when you come in here, we're going to take a right turn. You'll see up ahead there's some number plates that they've got on the fence. You can get asked to read one of these from a distance of around 20 metres. So we're going to do a reverse into one of the bays. So Gillian, who's doing the driving at the moment, she's taking the car out at an angle and reversing it back in. Something I'm going to show you on the screen here is a way of identifying when you're parallel and it's time to straighten up the wheel. So in this example here, I'm going to put some lines on the bay that you can see there, and we're going to put a line on the car. Now you'll see that they're not parallel to each other just now. So the next thing that you'll see Gillian doing with the steering wheel is she's going to turn it back the other way, and you'll see that the two lines that we're looking at start to become parallel to each other again, like this. And that's when you know that you've got your car nice and parallel, so it's time to then straighten up. Now when you're leaving this car park with the examiner, the first challenge you've got here is making sure that you take the car round the curb and try not to touch it. And obviously looking to the right is important here. Check in and then heading out to your exit. Depending on your test route, they can ask you to go to the left here or to the right. So good checks both ways. Get off to a good start with the test, no mistakes early on.